Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. It's just me today. It's another mystery thingy unboxing. It was Woot's 20th anniversary, so that's what this is. I like the new box. So this one's $10. That's 10. That was loud. And there's no bag. That's kind of sad. But there is a small box. Small Woot box. Got that. We got large gloves. There we go. That's fun. A sweet dual flashlight. Oh, this one's actually kind of cool. A coat hanger. I can actually use this in my closet. Alright, alright. A Woot duck. Alright. How are you? A red dot sight for a gun. That's fun. I don't know why I would need that. An Anchor power supply. USB-C with lightning connector. It's on the floor now. This seems to be a hat. Cowboy hat. Alright. We got ourselves a new cowboy hat. Because, you know, yeehaw. Let's dress up. Oh, no. What the hell are you? Oh. Looks like a watch band for an iWatch, Apple Watch. And mystery, whatever the hell this is. So far, $10 worth it. But I don't know. Oh, apparently it's a beanbag toss set. Slightly used. Oh, whatever. That's everything in here. Okay. Slightly broken. But whatever. Cool. So, alright, so slightly used beanbag tossy thingy. So that's fun. I can actually probably print one of these. So, easy peasy. So I think this one was worth it for $10. Cool. Anyways, I'm gonna go show Haley now. You guys have a good rest of your day. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.